Hey guys, Roblox 2025 here, and I would like to say thank you for helping me reach 156 subscribers. I know that I haven't uploaded a video in months, so this is why I made this video to express my gratitude. So that's pretty much it. So let's get started first with the artillery pieces. And this is where I display most of my artillery pieces as I move these them from that display, which I'll showcase later. Mainly because they just take up too much clutter. Plus, it looks more nicer. You can see there's the some artillery pieces such as the Schneider gun, probably my favorite ones. The FK96, best model ever. SFH13, French 75, which is actually the earlier version, but I decided to keep. And as well as many others. And in the shelf there's the old tablet and a World War II howitzer, as well as some pictures. And here is my Lego sorter that I used to use but not as much anymore. I'm planning to remove all these pieces and place them into bags because I don't know, it just takes too much space. And that's pretty much it. And here is the gaming laptop that I use pretty much every day. And I could have gotten myself a gaming PC, but I like portability, so that's why I got a gaming laptop. And in the bottom, you have some minifig parts, as well as some brick arms helmets and guns. I have a lot of brick arms. And by the way, here you have some sticker packs, some seeds I got for free, some bags and boxes, as well as these spray cans. And as for the top, I have here some micro tanks, the mocks that I decided to store mainly because I don't want to have too much clutter in it. An unfinished diorama, which is actually a Gallipoli mock that I decided to store for the foreseeable future, and some CMF series that I don't really care about. So that's it for the desk. So moving on to the bed. So yeah, it's not in a good condition. Well, but it's pretty nice. I mean, it is a bit wrinkly, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Here you have the shelf. You have the Brickmania Panther tank. This is one of my this is probably one of the biggest Brickmania kits I had. Vintage Lego Star Wars, Lego Minecraft, and a Liberty truck. And hold on. And here's my helmet. Have the Brody helmet and the Cold War Soviet helmet. And in this bag is the gas mask, which I will show you. Here's the gas mask along with the filter. And I guess it's a pretty nice display piece, even though it's too small for my head. That's pretty much it. Here's some books, and this is my history, my citations that I rarely use. Like my favorite one will probably be the sources, as well as Hitler's Jewish Soldiers. Very nice book. And moving on to the mocks, you have a lot of vehicles and stuff. My favorite will be the Stuke Tree, the Fokker, and the Rolls-Royce Armor Car that I modified. And not to mention, there is a modified Brickmania 70p. And that's pretty much it for that section. And here we have some dioramas. First up, you get the Minima dioramas. Got some World War One, a lot of World War One dioramas. And here's the things like I would say it's like the Western Front. I don't know what area. I would say Ypres, somewhere like that. And here is the Battle of the Bulge mock, which it was actually a World War One Eastern Front diorama, but I decided to change it to the Battle of the Bulge because I just thought it just fits very well. Here you have some of my books. I have some instruction books for Brickmania, which I collected every single one of them, including the magazines. And I would, I think I have a second one, but I don't want to take it out right now. So that's pretty much it for that one. Here I have some magazines, which I do have, like Brickmania book, some builder designs. Remember these things when Brickmania used to give out these builder designs? Yeah, I kind of miss these things, even though the coupons are pretty much expired. Got a old Lego magazine old Lego advert from 2015. Very nostalgic for 2015. And here is some of my games that I won't mention, and wolf ears because whatever. My trophy, and here is my TV, and inside this drawer you have my game system, and in top you have my G.I. Joes. My favorite one would be this guy, which was actually from Action Man. It's like G.I. Joe, except it's British and it's better. You have the G.I. Joe G. Actually, I have two of them. The second one's over here, along with this clay soldier and the dragon figure that I actually got from a set, like probably in January or something. Here's the box for the Panther tank. And to keep in mind, I do have more boxes, and plus most of the Brickmania kits are stored in boxes, but I don't want to take it out because it would just take up too much time. Here's some plushes. So that's pretty much it for the room. And as for the closet, pretty cluttered. You got a bunch of shirts and stuff, pants, and some boxes that you get used to. I don't know, probably use one day for shipping. Here are some of my sealed Lego sets, which I have a huge collection of. Pretty nice. It's nicely organized. I'm not sure what I gonna do if I collect too much of them, so I'm not sure about that. So that's pretty much it for my room tour. Not much to say. I forgot there's like some posters. I mean, it's pretty empty. I'm planning to redo my my room. And yeah, last but not least, you have the Lego pieces, which I use to build stuff. Here's some minifigs. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for helping me reach 156 subscribers, or 157, I don't know when this video is gonna be uploaded, but that's pretty much it. Bye.